chat. Redo that. Chat. Just playing. Just playing. We at the farm right now. Yeah. We about to go to Sharks and Minnows, right?
No, we're going back.
Yeah, we headed back. I think we're about to go see the chickens, so we're gonna get some more footage over there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and tell me what's your favorite. Tell me what's your favorite. Turn this way. Tell me what's your favorite. Tell me what your favorite food is in the comment below. Pause. Now we walking.
Oh, I already did.
Walking. See the fit. See the fit.
You didn't my hands.
And about to get back to work. We're still walking. There's too many chickens in here. It's too many birds. And yes, so many chickens. These birds over here eating all of the food.
Oh my God! Let them other chickens eat.
There's too many chickens up in here. Ladies, Chick-fil-A. I had to get out the chicken coop, so now I'm helping in the greenhouse. I'll show you what the greenhouse looks like. Have plants. Whoa! Here's that's growing. Then had some mums. Done one of these containers today. More pots and plants. And this is the greenhouse. I'm about to go back to clean it up. Why they got a camera up there? That's my question. I might swear I've been in that corner. Whoa, whoa. You see the truck? I don't know what the truck is doing, but it's definitely going around the corner. Hope I leave soon. 3, 2, 1. Y'all, I got my first car. You know I don't got a permit. It's the Gator. Got a seat and everything. So yeah, awesome.
Look what I'm whipping up. This is America. Yeah, yeah. Don't catch you slipping.
Land of the free, home of the brave. This is America. Okay. 3.
I already started.
Chat. Redo that.